What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, today Coinbase Pro allowed deposits and withdrawals of SHIB, and of course the price reflected that on their platform. Not only that, but they allowed full trading of Shiba Inu. Obviously, the price went a little bit weird on Coinbase Pro. We're going to talk about why that happened and where we go from here, and why I'm still super excited about this token. Obviously, the price on the day isn't super spectacular, but I still think great things are to come when it comes to Shiba Inu. So we will discuss some of those things today. If you are new around here, I ask that you please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the family. Throw a like on this video as it really gets the video out to more people. Comment down below your thoughts and opinions on all things Shiba Inu. Now, before we talk about the price action on pretty much every other exchange, let's go ahead and take a zoom into Coinbase Pro and talk about exactly what happened on their platform. Big shout out to the Shib Army over on the Reddit page. This is what was posted, and I really like this infographic because it really gets at exactly what happened on Coinbase Pro. Here we have a picture of the Coinbase Pro platform just prior to Shiba Inu withdrawals and deposits, Shiba Inu transfers essentially being allowed back on their platform. You see that the price on Coinbase Pro absolutely took a nosedive as soon as withdrawals and deposits were enabled. Why is this? Now, I told you guys in yesterday's video, and I reiterated it multiple times, what Coinbase Pro did, the fact that they stopped transfers of Shiba Inu on their platform, is they created a whole separate ecosystem, a whole separate economic system surrounded by a different set of supply and demand tokenomics, a different set of whole economics, and that fundamental difference between the exchange that is Coinbase Pro and the whole rest of the market led to a whole different set of price discovery points for that platform. People were trading within Coinbase Pro were only trading the tokens that were on that platform. So that really changed the game. So the price that was reflected on Coinbase Pro, it was real on Coinbase Pro, but it wasn't the same as the rest of the market because the rest of the market had access to every single other token that is available at that time. So that led to some huge discrepancies in price, essentially a 10x on the Coinbase Pro platform. And now, as soon as withdrawals and deposits were enabled, as soon as you can transfer your Shiba Inu in and out of their platform, look at what happened. The price started to nosedive, and it started reflecting the same price that we're seeing essentially at market value, because those tokens were not just on Coinbase Pro anymore. Now there is new tokens coming in, and it doesn't make sense for those new tokens to all of a sudden be worth the same as they are on Coinbase Pro, because the demand on Coinbase Pro wasn't nearly as high as the demand elsewhere. And so it wasn't able to play catch up essentially. The amount of demand of those new tokens that are coming in that were essentially bought at market value, that supply didn't meet the demand, or that supply outweighed that demand of all of the tokens that were trying to be bought on Coinbase Pro, and that's why the price was reflected. Now, of course, these are just my thoughts and opinions, but I think that's exactly what happened. And so the price that we're seeing now on CoinMarketCap, the same price that we're seeing on Coinbase Pro, that is the true price. What we saw on Coinbase Pro yesterday up until this morning, that was a real price just on that exchange. So if you happen to be trading Shiba Inu on that exchange, yes, that was the actual price of it. But everywhere else, that wasn't. And as soon as that exchange opened up, as soon as transfers were allowed, the price was reflected based off of the market value. So a lot of weird moving parts, and I hope that made a little bit of sense what I just outlined for you guys there. But I know it's somewhat confusing. Just know that the price that you are seeing now is pretty much the real price. And the price that we were seeing on CoinMarketCap yesterday, that was the quote unquote true price of Shiba Inu based on the market level. Now, I also said that the opposite could have happened. We could have opened up transfers on Coinbase Pro, and the demand would have been so high that even those tokens that are coming in from the outside deposits into Coinbase Pro would have eventually got up to the price of Coinbase Pro, but the demand just wasn't there on the platform, and so the price ended up coming down to other exchange levels rather than other exchange levels going up to the price of Coinbase Pro. Like I said, I'm not explaining this the best. I'll try to find a better way to really outline it in a way that kind of makes sense. And of course, I'll be posting a video, an update hopefully soon about that. That's a little bit more clear. That's pretty much all we have in terms of news. Now we'll talk about the actual price of Shiba Inu and why we have been going down and what I anticipate will happen in the future. Now, folks, last week, WeBull listing. This week, Coinbase listing. Next week, hopefully Robinhood listing. If you guys don't believe that this token is a bona fide cryptocurrency yet, I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but I can truly say that I believe that this is a bona fide cryptocurrency. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the 7-day chart. It's not all bad, but we anticipated that it was going to be a little bit better than this. But I told you guys, I don't care about what the day-to-day fluctuations in price look like. I want to become a legitimate cryptocurrency. I want to be on every single exchange where every single person can buy this token, every single person can look into it, and every single person has access to it. Why is that? Folks, we are in a we're in a red market today. We're in a dip. We're not I wouldn't call this a crash. This is cryptocurrency. We're very volatile, but we're on a dip right now. Whenever the bull run comes back, full cycle, I'm talking full swing bull run. I'm talking about 100K Bitcoin. I'm talking about 8K Ethereum, a $5 Cardano, everything 2xing essentially. When that happens, I think Shiba Inu will be a part of this crazy, crazy, crazy bull run. And I think it'll be one of those tokens that really outperforms a lot of other ones because of how behind I feel like we are compared to the market. If the type of catalysts were coming to any other token on the market that are coming to Shiba Inu, it would be absolutely insane what was happening. But Shiba Inu is just lagging behind in my opinion, and it's because we just don't have as much exposure yet as some of these other big name cryptocurrencies. Now, of course, these exchanges, these exchange listings, they give us that exposure. You guys know the WeBull listing was near and dear to my heart because I am a WeBull affiliate. Now, I keep reiterating this, folks. WeBull is having the biggest promotion this month. All you have to do is use my affiliate link in the description below. Deposit 1 cent. 1 penny, folks. That's 1 penny, and you get yourself 2 free stocks guaranteed. Those stocks can be valued all the way up to $2,300. The minimum you are going to get for those 2 free stocks is around $11 guaranteed. You got zero commission fees on Webull. You can buy fractional shares of stocks, obviously buy and sell a smorgasbord of cryptocurrencies, and access to real-time market data. They just listed Shiba Inu, folks. If you are looking for a new place to trade Shiba Inu, go ahead and get yourself kickstarted on Webull using my affiliate link. Get 2 free stocks. If you don't like those stocks, you can sell them and buy Shiba Inu using that money. Now, after that Webull listing, the Coinbase listing happened. Again, this is just increasing exposure. Big named listings that are increasing exposure. Hopefully, the Robinhood listing comes soon thereafter that. And this is when we're starting to talk about access to this token like never before, which is why I'm not too worried about the day-to-day price fluctuations. I am more worried about how are we going to look 2, 3, 4, 5 years into the future when this thing is a bona fide cryptocurrency with a market cap that is much smaller than some of these other big name cryptocurrencies, some of these currencies that have dexes that go along with them. How big can we get once the bull market is in full swing and we are a legitimate cryptocurrency on almost every single exchange that you can think of? That is what I am looking for, folks. I am not looking for these day-to-day, oh, we were listed on Coinbase, what happens the next day? Oh, we were listed on Webull, what happens the next day? Robinhood, etc. And I keep telling people it's not about what happens on the day, it's not about what happens on the month. It's about what happens on the year, 2 years, 3 years, etc. So that's exactly what I am looking forward to. This is a drop in the bucket compared to where I think we are going to be in the future, but it's going to take some patience, and obviously the development team has to really come out swinging, hopefully this year, wrap up this year really well, and come out strong in 2022. These are the big picture things that I'm looking at when it comes to Shiba Inu. Obviously, folks, I am not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please go out and do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my platforms. Do your own research, please, please, please. So obviously, there's still a lot going out. There's still a lot going on when it comes to Shiba Inu. It is just a waiting game. It's about having patience. And sometimes I tell people, hey, stop watching the videos. Yes, I'm telling you, put down that phone, put down your laptop, put down your iPad, whatever it might be. Stop watching my videos, stop watching other videos, stop looking at Twitter, all this social media stuff. Just put it down for a little bit. Stop checking your crypto wallet. Put it down a little bit. Let things recover, and then see how you will be rewarded in the future. If this thing starts moving the way we think it's going to over the next couple of years, I think the patient will really be rewarded. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. It's a really great help to the channel. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm at the scene, folks. Peace out.